Okay. So are you ready to get your English lesson?
Yes.
Yes.
Last day, it was around midnight.
Okay.
We were all, our family member, celebrating a birthday party. It was my wife's birthday. It was my
Wife's birthday.
birthday. When we were all having fun, we were clicking pictures, we were having a good mood, we were talking each other. Suddenly, our all of the fun was gone because we had a door knocking sound. Suddenly our door was knocked. So what I was doing around midnight?
You were
You
You
were
getting
you are getting fun with your family members. because
Okay.
You have a birthday party.
last night your wife's birthday party. So you were having fun, cutting cake, and
Having chit chats.
yes.
Okay.
Click.
Clicking photos, right?
Yes.
So we were in a good mood.
Yes.
You are in a
We were in a good mood, right?
Yes.
But suddenly our good mood was gone. Our good mood was interrupted.
Why?
Why our good mood was interrupted?
Because suddenly
Your door was
your
locked.
door was knocked by someone.
Suddenly you had listening a door knocking sound.
Okay. Suddenly we were all family members got a
Door knocking sound.
door knocking sound, right? So we were worried.
Yes.
Yes.
You are
You were
We were
We are shocked.
shocked.
Yes.
yes.
You are shocked.
We were laughing.
No.
So when the door was knocked around the midnight, we were having fun.
No.
Yes, we said, right? We said, oh, door is ringing, door is knocking.
No.
No. Instead of we were having fun, what we were doing,
You all get serious.
we were worried.
Yes. We're worried.
We were
Worried.
worried, right?
Yes.
Then one of my family member suddenly got an idea. He called police. He called
Police.
police. And he said over the phone, hey, can you please come to our home? Because we have a sound outside of our door. We have a sound, we are hearing a sound. It is not expecting, we are not expecting for anyone because it's a midnight. It's a
Midnight.
Midnight.
who called police?
One of your family member.
One of your family members.
Okay, one of my family member called police.
Yes.
What did one of my family member do?
One of your family member was called police.
Called police.
Yes.
And what he was saying over the phone?
He was saying the police that not expecting time.
We are not expecting anyone.
We are not expecting anyone.
We are not expecting anyone to come to our birthday party because it's around midnight. Also, he said to police over phone, who can that be?
Who can that be?
Who can that be? Can you please come to our home and check Who can that be?
Who can that be? Can you please come to our home and check?
Check, right?
Yes.
So one of your family member, that person requested police to check your home.
Yes.
Yes. And police, after 10 minutes, police came and checked our outside of home.
Okay.
Okay.
But they did not find anyone. They did not.
Find anyone.
When police was searching around my house, did they find anyone?
No.
They
They
didn't
did not find
anyone.
anyone.
What they were trying to do, police?
They are trying
They
to
are
find
trying to
someone.
search someone.
They were trying to search our home.
They are trying to
Who
search
knocked
your
the
home.
door?
Who knocked the door? Who could that be?
Yes.
Right? So, after 10 minutes later, and then why did police come to your home at midnight?
Police
Because
come.
your-
Police came.
Came to your home to check who was knocking the door.
Knock the door.
Who knocked our door? Our door. So after 15 minutes later, after police checked our outside of the home, did they find anyone?
No, they didn't find anyone.
They did not find anyone. So police knocked on my home, on my door, and said, "We are police. We are police. Please come outside. We have some important to tell you. We have some important to tell you." But when I went outside to talk with police and was trying to know who could that be who knocked on our door, police said that we checked, man. We checked outside of your home. We checked around your whole perimeter, whole boundary, but we couldn't see anyone.
Okay.
We couldn't see anyone. And police also said, before you called us, did you check? Did you check your house? Did you even come? Did you even come outside of your home and checked? But we said no.
No,
Because we were worried.
because we were worried.
How could we go outside and check outside of our home? Because we were worried. When police came to our door and knocked us and they said, "We are police," did we go outside?
Yes.
When we went outside, what did police ask us?
When the police came, then we went to the outside.
And police, what did police ask to us when we went outside?
Did you even check your home before we came?
Then call me
Yes, did you even go outside
and check
and checked outside?
then call
And what?
Before you call me.
Yeah, and what we replied them?
We replied them, no, we can't. How could you check? How could we went outside and
How could we go
how
outside?
could you go outside and check the whole boundary outside? Because we are worried.
We were worried. Who were worried?
We were worried.
everybody.
We were, right? We were?
You were worried.
Yes, you said you were worried, and I say we were worried, right?
Okay.
Why we were worried?
Because you don't know.
Unexpected sound was disturb us.
Yes, unexpected knock.
Was coming from the door.
Yes, unexpected knock was coming
From the door.
from the door, and
Night.
We didn't know
who could that be?
that be.
Right? And police also said, for next time, you should have checked first your door, your perimeter, before you called the police. And they were gone. And they were?
Gone.
Before they were gone, what did they give a message to me?
They give a message to you. Before you call the police, you should check your
First you check
your
your
parameter.
Outside or boundary.
You should check your outside the door or your parameter.
Then you call us.
And then
You call.
then they are
Police.
back.
If you
They
feel
were
any,
gone.
if you feel any problem, then you call us.
So you understand the story?
Yes.
Yes.
Good.